LC Paper is a Barcelona-based tissue manufacturer committed to creating the world's most sustainable paper products. Ambitious environmental goals are part of its DNA. After the launch of a new biomass boiler with a capacity of 4 tons per hour, LC Paper has been able to achieve a carbon footprint of 0. We are the first paper manufacturer worldwide to have zero-emission products. This milestone is the result of more than a decade of innovation, which has been materialized in the one-ply manufacturing technology. The new one-ply technology allows us to manufacture tissue paper with 70% less energy than standard tissue paper manufacturing technologies. The hand feel and absorption of our one-ply products are premium, very similar to multi-layer and NTT products, while the decrease in energy usage is enormous. The one-ply technology developed at LC Paper is very competitive when compared to TAD and NTT. It is not only the most sustainable product in the market, but also very aggressively priced as a result of its lower energy and raw material consumption. The disruptive nature of the one-ply technology has been widely praised. It has received the Pulp and Paper Magazine's Sustainability Award, as well as a European Union grant for achieving the zero-emission goal. But one-ply is not just a product, it is a core philosophy of our company. LC Paper is committed to continue leading the innovation on eco-friendly paper manufacturing.